How to fix Spotify download error. I'm gonna show you and give you the solution of this problem that you have on your Spotify. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Guys, pay attention. If you have like free account, you can't download at all. But if you have a premium account and you have this problem, I have the solution today in this video. So don't open your Spotify and go and turn off your data or your Wi-Fi. Open then your settings of your phone, open up apps option and search for Spotify. Open it like this, scroll down and go to storage option, click on clear cache, and then you have to back and click on first stop. Now click OK, and then what you should do, just go to your Play Store or App Store and update your Spotify on the last version. Then the next or the last step is to restart your phone. That's all guys in this video. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and bye.